How to uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. I am going to show you how you can easily uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. Go to the Adobe website www.adobe.com and sign into your Adobe account using your credentials. Launch the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. You can usually find it in your system tray in Windows. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile section. Look for options related to managing your Creative Cloud subscription or products. Find the section that lists your active subscriptions or products associated with your account. Locate Adobe Creative Cloud in the list of subscriptions and click on it to view details. Look for an option to manage or uninstall Creative Cloud. This may be labeled as uninstall, remove, or something similar. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the uninstallation of Adobe Creative Cloud from your computer. After completing the uninstallation process through the Adobe website, you should receive a confirmation message. The message indicates that Adobe Creative Cloud has been successfully uninstalled. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.